This video will show you how to replace the tail lamp assemblies on a Ford Edge. You'll have two of these, one along each side of the rear of your vehicle. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. We'll make sure we have our lift gate open. Once you've opened it, we're looking along the inboard side of our tail lamp assembly. We can see that we have two 8mm headed mounting bolts. We'll remove the pair. Now at this point, we're going to continue on with a plastic trim tool because we do not want to damage the paint on our vehicle. We have to carefully start pulling this straight rearward. The areas that we actually want to focus would be on the outboard side of the tail lamp assembly along the rear fender. We're using our plastic trim tool. We'll make our way right in between this area, gently pry. Now that I have it separated, we can carefully start pulling this away, but keep in mind you have 3 wiring harnesses along the rearward side. Now that I have this pulled away, we can start disconnecting our electrical connectors. We'll start up along the top, we'll make our way down. Each one of these will have a locking tab. We're going to squeeze in on the locking tab and pull it out of place. As we start disconnecting these, a quick inspection for corrosion as we continue on here. Let's move along to the next one in the center. All the way down at the bottom for the last one. All those look good. Prior to installation of any brand new part, let's make sure we clean and inspect our mounting area. We're focusing along the inboard side here where our mounting bolts would be. We want to make sure nothing's rotted, weak, or damaged. As we move along towards the outboard side, we have the areas where our locating tabs would slide into. Quick wipe here. It's time for installation of the brand new tail lamp assembly. We're starting with the electrical wiring harnesses along the back. Let's start connecting these in. I have the one for the lower aspect here. We're just lining this up, we're pressing it in. Audible click from that, a light tug. Continue on to the center. There we go. That's secure as well. Last one up along the top. Now let's go ahead and get this in place. Along the outboard side, I had mentioned that there's 2 small locating tabs. Those tabs will have to fit into their corresponding ports. We'll continue on swinging this into the proper positioning for our mounting hardware. I'm going to tap this into position. Just a light tap there. Let's install our 2 mounting bolts. We'll start in both pieces of hardware before tightening either of them. Double check to make sure it's properly secured all the way around. Okay friend, we finished our installation. The next thing you have to do is test the functionality. Perfect. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.